Hello! Today we are going to explore some wild animals. Elephants are the largest terrestrial mammals in the world. They spend up to 18 hours a day feeding on grass, plants, and fruits. Tigers are easily identifiable by their dark vertical stripes. Unlike most felines, they are excellent swimmers and enjoy the water. Bears, due to the size of their brains, are very intelligent creatures. They are large mammals that mainly feed on meat and fish. The giraffe is the tallest animal on the planet, reaching up to 6 meters in height. They are herbivores and feed exclusively on plants. Alligators are cold-blooded reptiles found in lakes, rivers, and swamps. Their diet is varied, including fish, birds, and turtles. The macaw is a brightly colored bird that inhabits tropical and equatorial forests. Their diet includes fruits, seeds, larvae, flowers, and buds. The monkey, which shares 98% of human DNA, is an intelligent animal capable of using tools to obtain food and water. The lion, known as the king of the jungle due to its imposing size, is one of the strongest felines and the top predator in the food chain. Zebras, belonging to the horse family, have not been domesticated. Their most striking feature is their striped black and white coat. The armadillo is a mammal from the American continent that lives in burrows, possessing a long, sticky tongue to capture ants and small insects. Emus are birds with soft plumage that do not fly, possessing long necks and legs. They can run at speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour. Hippopotamuses are large semi-aquatic mammals that spend most of the day in the water. They are more active at night when searching for food. The tortoise is a land turtle that feeds on fruits fallen from trees and also on leaves and shrubs. Wild ducks are found near ponds, swamps, rivers, and streams, feeding on plants, fish, and insects. Wild animals are those that freely inhabit their natural environment, not having been domesticated by humans.